Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off your camera during a Webex meeting on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Webex app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once you are in the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen for the camera icon. This icon shows if your video is currently on. Tap the camera icon once, the icon will change to a show a line through it, which means your camera is now off. Other participants will no longer see your video, but you can still see the meeting. If you want to turn the camera back on, just tap the camera icon again, the light disappears and your video will be visible to everyone in the meeting. You can always check the camera icon to see whether your video is on or off. This helps you stay in control of your privacy during the meeting. If you are in a group call and need it to be on a video all the time, turn off your camera can save battery and improve connection speed. You can toggle it on and off anytime you and that's it. That's how you turn off your camera in Webex meeting on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.